Russian watches are cool. Not as cool as Russian poster art though. Unfortunately, buying a Russian watch won't make me cool, but I fancied one. It's always a good idea to undertake a little research on your purchases, or you could buy something inappropriate, like a television licence. Watch You Seek have a Russian watch forum containing an excellent guide written by member Matt Beam. This and other posts recommend the Russian-based Meranon website as a reputable seller of Russian watches. Choice is not lacking on Meranon, and with an English version displaying prices in British pounds, euros and US dollars, purchasing a watch is a simple procedure. I selected the retro Amphibian Classic 09066-2M automatic. On checkout you're warned, twice if I recall, delivery may take upwards of a month, leaving you in no doubt this is not a purchase for the impatient. Upwards of a month was a fair prediction. My watch arrived one day shy of 6 weeks, in a plastic bag festooned with no-nonsense stamps. Far more appropriate than UK stamps, which tend towards profiles of parasites on them, Tarquin points out. The watch box is a black plastic affair containing watch and folded literature. None of your Ponzi boutique presentation here. The favoured adjective to describe Vostok watches is agricultural, but I prefer the term utilitarian, which it certainly is. A service period of 10 years doesn't get more practical than that. But the 2416B movement produces a disappointingly discreet tick, considering its robust design and construction. Measurements wise, width is 42mm, height 49mm, depth 15mm, and lug width is 22mm. The bezel is clickless, relying on friction to hold its position. Despite a 200-metre depth rating, this is a dive watch in name only, so the clickless bezel is neither here nor there. In line with the retro styling, there's an acrylic domed crystal. Design-wise, crystals protruding above bezels are a terrible idea, having nothing to protect them from knocks, but aesthetically are far more pleasing than boring, characterless flat varieties. There's little lume on the dial, the dots above the silver indistinct hour markers lasting as long as one's credulity at a BBC News broadcast. The hands fare a little better, but the emitted light won't help you navigate a cave like Seiko lume. The bracelet is, shall we say, adequate in the price context. The sharp edges and hair grabbing while sliding the watch over your hand quickly becomes unpleasant though, so I decided to fit a Zulu Diver sailcloth strap from Watch Gecko, which I adapted to fit a cheap Amiga style deployant clasp from eBay. This clasp design conceals the strap tail, producing a clean appearance. Hand winding is a little fiddly. After unscrewing the signature wobbly crown, a gentle pull needs to be exerted while winding to prevent the crown catching the thread on the crown tube and locking itself. Too much outward pressure and the time setting position engages. There's a pseudo quick date change. Rotate the hands to midnight to activate the date change. Next, reverse the hands to 8 PM. Finally, return the time to midnight, advancing the date once more. After a month of wearing every morning, there is a time gain of 2 minutes per day. Regulation will no doubt improve the accuracy. Will I wear the watch frequently? Probably not.